The world is a chessboard, where the queen reigns supreme. Her power stretches across the board, influencing every move, every decision. But in the game of hearts, another queen holds sway. The Queen of Hearts commands not through force, but through loyalty and devotion. This is the essence of Law 15. Work on the hearts and minds of others. On the chessboard, the queen's presence alone shapes the game. Players anticipate her moves, protect her, and fear her reach. But her true strength lies not in her ability to strike, but in her capacity to influence. Every piece bends to her will, even when she stands still. In the deck of cards, the Queen of Hearts wields a different kind of power. She may not be the highest card, but her symbol alone commands attention. Hearts represent loyalty, emotion, and devotion. In the realm of power, conquering hearts and minds proves far more potent than conquering bodies alone. History offers us a perfect illustration of this law. After the bloody Wars of the Roses tore England apart, Henry VII claimed a fragile throne. His enemies were many, his claim tenuous. What truly secured his reign, what ended the bitter feud, was not his crown, but his marriage. By wedding Elizabeth of York, the true Queen of Hearts, he united two warring houses. Elizabeth was beloved by the people, a living symbol of unity. Henry held the throne, but Elizabeth held the hearts of the nation. Through her, the Tudor dynasty found its strength and legitimacy. This historical lesson echoes across time. Fear may control bodies, but only love, loyalty, and admiration can truly control minds. When you win hearts and minds, obedience is no longer forced, it's freely given. The chessboard proves this law as well. A queen need not strike every turn to dominate the game. Her very presence shapes the board, influencing every move. Opponents plan around her, allies rally to protect her. The game bends to her influence, even in stillness. In the world of cards, the Queen of Hearts changes the dynamics not through brute force, but through perception. She represents allure, charm, and influence that cannot be ignored. Her power lies in how others respond to her presence. Modern power plays follow this same pattern. Brands that inspire loyalty, not just transactions, dominate their markets. Leaders who make people feel valued are followed more fiercely than those who simply bark orders. Even in our personal lives, those who win affection and trust gain an influence that no threat could ever match. So how can you harness this law in your own life? First, learn to inspire rather than demand. Fear fades quickly, but love lingers. Second, speak not just to reason, but to emotion. Facts may convince the mind momentarily, but stories and symbols capture the heart forever. Third, embody the qualities others wish to follow. Grace, presence, and calm strength. These are the invisible weapons of the Queen of Hearts. But remember, this power is delicate. Betray the hearts you've won and the backlash will be devastating. A ruler who loses trust loses everything, no matter how strong their armies. A brand that betrays loyalty collapses overnight. A person who manipulates affection for selfish gain will be hated far more intensely than an honest enemy. Elizabeth of York shows us the true lesson. She didn't win battles, lead armies, or deliver rousing speeches. Yet she united a kingdom shattered by war, not through force, but through love and symbolism. Her presence lent legitimacy to her husband's crown, and her memory gave strength to a dynasty that ruled for over a century. This is the heart of Law 15. Work on the hearts and minds of others. Because when you rule hearts, minds follow. When you control emotions, logic bends to your will. And when you win true loyalty, power becomes effortless. The queen on the chessboard may dominate through her moves, but the Queen of Hearts rules through devotion. One controls the board, the other shapes the game itself. In the grand game of power, which queen will you choose to emulate? So ask yourself, are you trying to win people with force, with arguments, with commands? Or are you playing like the Queen of Hearts, winning loyalty so deeply that even your enemies cannot deny you? Comment below.